Greetings. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at an example of using Geospatial Analytics. This example is based on an example put in by Scott Forstie in 1192, and I've just added a couple more tweaks. So Geospatial Analytics, the ability to describe areas inside our DB2 tables. Well, why might that be useful? Well, all sorts of reasons, but one of the things we might want to look at is describing the areas of national treasures. So in the example that Scott gave us, he put in Central Park and Washington Square Park and described them as polygons, you can see here, with the latitudes and longitudes. So we sort of create a table, we insert those data into it, and then we can run the solution. And here, see quite quickly that Central Park is the biggest of these three parks. So we can see in square meters, we've got it in there. It's a little over 3 million. Hyde Park at 1.2, and then Washington Square Park at 40,000, and then do some basic maths and convert that to acres, square kilometers, square miles, hectares. You do as you would like. So think of this as a way of describing volumes. Before, we might have just used DB2 tables for describing, how much stock we've got or how much debt somebody had. Well, now we can talk about things that are how big, and then start to do some really clever maths with it, maybe starting to use geospatial to plot routes. So this does not need to be complicated. Just bear in mind that we can start to store areas in there. Now, if like me, you were thinking that's great, but how would you actually find out what the size of a particular area was? Well, if it's a national treasure like these parks, you can look on the internet as a matter of record. And if you want to be lazy, you can do exactly what I did, was ask ChatGPT how big the Hyde Park was. So hope that's useful. And if you want to give me some more examples, just feel free to get in touch of things you'd like me to look at and demonstrate. Cheers, TTFN.